Welcome, in front of me I have REALME 8 Pro, and today I will show you how easy you can apply tempered glass on the screen. So you have to make the few things. The first one, you have to prepare the good source of light to see a very mess that you have on the screen. We have to clean this screen really good. We have to put it into the good condition. So when you open your tempered glass box, you will find inside two wipes. Here it is. There we got the wet and the dry one. We are going to start with the wet. Of course you will find the glass. Unfortunately this glass is not for REALME 8 Pro, it's for Lenovo Moto G8, but the size is almost the same, so just take a look how it looks. Let's open at the first the wet one. And you have to make gestures like that. Oh, unfortunately it's not wet, so wait a little bit. I will be back soon and I'm going to tell you what you have to do if it is going to happen to you. So here I got the cleaning item. You know, the most important thing is that you have the alcohol inside, and so we have to just simply make it something like that. Just press it and put it onto your wipe, and after that just take a look what is going to happen. Right now we will easily remove a very fingerprint that we have on the screen. Yeah, it was right now much easier. Then put it back and open your dry wet. And do the same. Remember to catch a very edge. We have to clean the screen in a very position. I mean in the very place. Okay, and right now if you take a look on our screen, you can see that it's in really good condition, so we can move to our tempered glass. So you have to grab the glass like that, and at the first you have to remove this sticker, just like that. As you can see, the foil follow, and we can remove it very easily. So just make it like that, then put your glass on the upper section, keep holding the bottom part. Okay, right now try to put it in a good position. You can put on the phone the case, so it will be much easier. Then put the bottom part, and you can slide with your finger like that, and as you can see, it goes almost automatically. So here we can find the air bubble, so you have to just push it like that with your finger to the upper section or the bottom section to the screen. It depends when you got it. And just slide with your finger like that to get it stick to your display. Right now grab the wipe and clean your screen like that. So as you can see right now, it looks really good. And we can simply turn on our screen, and there is no any problem with the touch interaction. So yeah, you can simply use your device like that, and that's it. So as you can see, it was very simple to put correctly the tempered glass on our display. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.